Here I am, back to my data page. I already showed you where you can see the kids are fluent, proficient, emerging, or they need help. Now, what do you do with these students? This is how assessment's going to drive instruction. So here we can see their scores. Here's the pre-assessment. If you want to see it in order, just press the pre-assessment, and then you can get the lowest from the highest. If you press it again, the highest from the lowest. So we see Ahmad has 100. Robert, 96. So we can see that these students, they also took, they did not take the post-test, but their pre-assessment's already beyond. They don't need to practice addition. The third student, Star, she does not need to practice. Philip, you might want him to take the post-test, which he already did and got an 83. So he might need maybe one more practice in addition. But he's ready for subtraction. But look, he did take the subtraction and he got a 65. So you know what that might mean? That might mean that he doesn't understand addition, that subtraction is the opposite of addition. So he might need some fluency practice. So that's how you can look at this data and kind of see. It will light up when I go to subtraction. It will light up the scores, and again, we can touch that and it'll go in order. So again, we have Robert, who has 100. And even his multiplication, Robert is off the charts. Robert doesn't need any practice in fluency. He's ready for division. He might even be ready for just the facts with integers. He's ready to continue on. So how do you know what everyone got right or wrong? So let's go down to our pre-test for addition. So let's go to our just the facts. Let's go to multiplication, because this is when they first start multiplication in third grade. So if we go in order and let's get our highest student, okay, so we'll take like a middle of the road. So let's go to Philip and let's see if we find any patterns. So if we look at his grid, and I just pressed on his name, we can see that the orange he did not touch, the green is what he did do, and the purple is what he got wrong. So you can see a little bit more purple on the bottom, so he might need to practice the 6, 7, 8, and 9 times table. Sometimes you might not even see a pattern. It might just be that they might just not have enough time, because again, this is a timed test, 5 minutes, so the fluency is not there. So stay tuned, and in the next video, I'm going to show you what they can do to practice.